The ocean is changing faster than ever, and protecting it takes more than passion. It takes action, data, and collaboration. At Ceningan Divers, conservation is part of every dive. Our work focuses on protecting reef ecosystem through hands-on conservation, education, and long-term monitoring in the Coral Triangle. The support from the PADI AWARE Grant allow us to turn our commitment into real impact. This grant help us strengthen our conservation program by improving monitoring effort, expanding data collection, and supporting essential tools and training for our team. With this support, we can involve more divers and local communities in conservation, transforming everyday dives into meaningful contributions to marine science. From coral monitoring to debris removal and biodiversity documentation, every action now has a lasting purpose. By strengthening our conservation work today, we help protect these reefs for future generations, ensuring healthier ocean, resilient ecosystem, and a more informed diving community. Together with PADI AWARE, we're not just diving the ocean, we're protecting it.